Notch grading can be edited manually from the Edit Notch dialog. When the Auto Regrade option is ticked on, simply enter the position of the notch for the base size, then click Apply. The system automatically adjusts the position of the notch for the other sizes. The position can be edited proportionally as a percentage, from previous as a measurement, or from next as a measurement. Tick off the Auto Regrade option to edit the proportional, from previous, or from next position of the notch for every size, one by one. When the From Grading Points Only option is ticked on, the previous and next points are the previous and next grading points. When this option is ticked off, the previous and next points can be of any point type.